So this is where I've got it hooked up for now. It's going to eventually run through there. I've run the entire 1/2 inch main line with my pre-placed tees. So you can see I've just used a little loop of the 1/4 inch tubing to hold those closed. Absolutely no leaks anywhere. And then we make it down here where I've actually got something. I do have the hose pressure turned down a little bit right now just because I only have a few things hooked up. And this is where I've got the end of the line. So you can see the amount of run I got out of this. Granted, I have buried the 1/2 inch tubing underneath here, so I did lose a little run for that. And then these are very easy to adjust, like so. It's now spraying me on my jeans. So yeah, there it is.
We got them all dialed in. I might swap out a lot of these here, for those. I like that. Looks a lot better. I think they're all putting out the same consistency of water though, so the best thing about it is like you got a plant, see how it just goes around it. Got them all dialed in. See, if you turn the pressure down on one, it's gonna pick up in another spot, so you gotta work them in order. Over here. Got them all, see, look at that one. See, I turned that one down. Watch, I go back around somewhere else and pick right here. It just picked up. That's just a constant little battle.
Irrigation system operational.
I set up this water irrigation system last week with the tubing, so I'm not gonna go through all of it. That one's a different one that's more water into it. See the water. Get my fruit trees. That one I have to get the chickens in the pear tree. This one's named Chucky. See the pears? Very fruitful.